How to change Roblox name tag color. To change the Roblox name tag color, just make sure to watch the video till the end. First thing first, go ahead and open the Roblox application. Make sure to sign in on your Roblox account if you haven't yet, or if you haven't created account, then you can easily create account on Roblox. Then go to the more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this more section, you need to select health and safety. Now on this page, select help. Now on the search bar, you need to tap on it and search for how do I change. And you will see the suggested result here, and on the suggested result underneath the experience visit, you will see how do I change the color of my name in an experience. So let's select on it, and you'll be redirected to this page where you can see how do I change the color of my name in an experience. So you need to go through this and read it that currently in experience name colors are assigned at random. At this time, there is no way to manually assign this color or change it. So you need to know that there is no such way to manually assign this color or change it currently. So due to because the Roblox community does not make the feature available to change our Roblox name tag color currently. So until the Roblox community makes it available to your device, then only you can change the Roblox name tag color. Until that, you have to wait it, and after waiting is over, you can change the Roblox name color successfully. So I hope this video was helpful. If it worked, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel for more tutorial updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.